How do really good trial attorneys know how to ask questions at trial? I can tell you one thing, it's not from something that they learn in law school. You want to know what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. The only way an attorney can learn how to ask great questions during the course of direct examination, during the course of cross-examination, is by asking hundreds and thousands of questions during pretrial testimony. You're not going to find a really good trial attorney who all of a sudden wakes up from law school one day and starts trying cases and has the best questions ever. It doesn't happen that way. Instead, just like anything else, they have to practice, they have to prepare, and importantly, they have to do it over and over and over again. You will find that really good trial attorneys are ones who have been able to ask questions, hundreds and hundreds of thousands of questions during the course of their entire career. They ask witnesses questions during the pretrial process known as depositions, also known as an examination before trial. And really, that's nothing more than a question and answer session that's given under oath in an attorney's office. So now, lawyers who are really good at what they do in asking questions during cross-examination and direct examination, they learn how to ask questions correctly. They learn how to phrase the question correctly. They learn that if there's an objection from the defense, how to change up the question so now they avoid that objection and can still get the information that they're trying to obtain. You will find that really good trial attorneys, if there is an objection, regardless of what type of objection it is, they should be able to ask the same type of question, not 5 different ways, not 10 different ways, 15, 20, 25 different ways to try and extract the same information that they're trying to get. It's crucial for an attorney to be able to do that. You will find, going into court and watching and observing new novice attorneys, you will find that they often have difficulty getting out certain questions, especially when there are objections by their adversaries. And this will happen oftentimes during pretrial testimony. Now, when an objection is raised, they say, well, what's wrong with my question? Well, the other side doesn't have to tell you what's wrong with your question. You should know what's wrong. And if they are so gracious as to tell you what's wrong with your question, don't take the position, I'm not going to change my question. This is the question I asked, and I want an answer to my question. Well, again, you'll find that really good trial attorneys don't fight with their adversary on that point. They'll just turn it around and ask it 10 different ways. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on during the litigation and the trial process in cases involving car accidents and medical malpractice and wrongful death cases. I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. This is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.